We are the wisdom keepers. Captures the essence of Saint Albert, the great Slightfoot. He was not just a scholar but a guardian of knowledge, ensuring that wisdom of both the ancient world and his contemporary insights were preserved, enriched, and transmitted to future generations. I am the father, and this is the Arthur Nance, the sister, and these are the brothers.
As wisdom keepers inspired by Saint Albert the Great, we are committed to holistic environmental stewardship, recognizing the interdependence of all life. We will promote scientific and holistic approaches, foster community-based initiatives, and emphasize economic responsibility to create a sustainable future.
Yes? Keepers, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after you.
Aral lang ng aral.
Study lang ang study.
The 15th of November.
Tuesday ng isang member.
Sino ba ito?
Saint Albert the Great po.
Bakit siya ang patron?
Kasi siya matalino.
Ano kanyang inaral?
Theology and science.
Aral lang ng aral.
Study lang ang study.
We are students of Letran.
Compassion and kindness is number one.